Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a community group in your WhatsApp business account using your iPhone. If you manage different customer groups or have multiple teams, this is a great way to keep all your chats organized in one place. So first, open your WhatsApp business app. Make sure you're on the Chats tab at the bottom. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on the new chat icon with 3 head. From the options that appear, tap on New Community. Then tap Get Started. Now, go ahead and enter your community name. You can also write a short description to explain what your community is about, and if you want, add a nice display photo to make it look more professional. Once you're done, tap Create Community. Next, it's time to build your community. Here, you can either add existing groups that you already have or create new ones. If you choose to create a new group, simply give it a name and add the members you want to include. You can add more groups later if you need to. After setting everything up, tap Create at the top right corner and your community will be ready. You'll now be able to send announcements to everyone in the community and easily manage all your groups under one place. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a community group on your WhatsApp business account using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.